Okay all, welcome back to the ABR Loons channel. So I'm currently sitting in Gambia waiting for a ferry which is taking forever to come. So I thought to take the opportunity to do a quick update on the Motoz Tractionator GPS tyre. This tyre now has travelled from the UK down through France, Spain, into Morocco, through Western Sahara, into Mauritania, to Senegal, and now into Gambia. It's done approximately between 4.5 and 4,006 miles. So you want to convert that into kilometres. And I'll show you what its condition is like. It's been mostly road and tracks, trails. So that's paved with tracks and trails, and a little bit of desert. Very little sand, fortunately. But its general condition, as I'll show you now, is there. So quite a bit of tread on it. I'm hoping that I can get this tyre down all the way to South Africa, which is 10,000 miles. That's the hope anyway. I haven't got a measuring gauge or anything, but I think you can get the gist of it, how it's looking at the moment. It seems to be going okay. Pulls on a part-worn Motoz Adventure rear tyre, and that's, excuse me, that's done a fair few miles. It's my backrest, and that's its condition. And it's doing well. Well, it's actually doing better than I was expecting. And he's carrying another new one on his bike, and also he's running a Duel Venture front, which he's put on. I think I'd done a few thousand miles before he put on, so that's done about 6,000 miles. It's going strong. That's the Duel Venture front and the Adventure rear. Quite surprised the mileage he seems to be getting out of these tyres. So hoping the GPS will get us all the way to South Africa, and we'll let you know. And Paul's going to try and keep hold of his Duel Venture, his new Duel Venture front and his new Adventure Motoz rear as far as he can, or until the conditions warrant it. I'm going to try and run the GPS Tractionator all the way, and I also have a Duel Venture front, as you know, which I'm going to bolt on as soon as the conditions warrant it. The sand that we've done so far, running the stock Pirelli Scorpion STR, it's a bloody nightmare. Oh, that thing's just, it's all over the show. But anyway, there you go. That's a quick review, sort of on the road review as we sit and wait for the ferry, which should come in there somewhere. And I will give further details on this probably at the end, really, for the tyre. Point is giving you another one and another few thousand miles. So I'll give you, when we get to Cape Town, what the total mileage was and what the condition of the tyres were. And I can record or take some pictures of the Adventure tyres and see what condition they were at when they're taken off and disposed of. Okay all, thanks very much, bye.